As we were investigating bridges in our CAD program in the pre-engineering class, we realized that there's a proposal going forward in Farmington where a trestle that used to cross the Sandy River between West Farmington and Farmington proper to put in an elegant 300-foot span cable-stayed bridge.
The last passenger train to Farmington came across this bridge in 1957, and in 1974 the railroad line from Livermore Falls to Farmington was abandoned. In the 1990s the trestle was taken down.
The intent is to connect the recreational assets of southern Franklin County with northern Franklin County through this bridge. So it's not for cars, but it would be for walking, snowmobiles, biking, horseback, a variety of recreational pursuits. This is by a group in northern Franklin County called the High Peaks Alliance, and their proposal is already in the preliminary stages, and they had some engineering plans drawn up.
I had the pleasure to work with the High Peaks Alliance doing trail work last summer, and their message to preserve the outdoors and make it accessible to as many people as possible really resonated with me.
I knew right away it was going to be a great teaching opportunity, and for these students, when they see it come to life on their CAD screen, it just makes a connection between what they see in the classroom and what they see on their way to school when they come across the bridge.
I thought that was a really exciting thing, and I wanted to help as much as possible. And that came in the form of working on this 3D model. Caldor
Wood Engineering was really helpful in sharing their plans with us, so we could use those in our CAD class and understand better a big project like this that may impact our community in a positive way.
I started by getting the plans that were drawn for the bridge in 2 dimensions. I then used the topographical lines to project onto a whiteboard where I could trace onto foam core that I could use to represent the elevation. From there, I started decorating the elevation design that I had made with trees and some fake grass. And the next step will be to laser cut the bridge.
I've always found bridges to be really interesting, and when I heard about this cable-stayed design, I knew right away it was going to be a great teaching opportunity and a way for students to see how a main engineering firm puts together a design and a set of plans like this.
The bridge is made out of 7 48-foot sections. This is kind of what the bridge will look like from the side. It is going to have abutments here by the slope that goes down to the river, and then 2 counterweights on either end that will tie into cables that will go over a pole to support the bridge that has the 7 sections bolted together.
Any project like this that happens locally is an opportunity for my kids to really understand real-world problems and how we work together to create a big project.
It's been a long time since the railroad came into Franklin County in the 1800s. That time is over, but the Sandy River and the lakes and the mountains are always going to be here, and this bridge is going to be a part of that, and it's really a connection to these students' future.